Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for health and wellness business, easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing you have to do, you have to start for free. So get started for free. Now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here where you're gonna set up your website in the storefront. Okay, so click here and it will take you to the editor page. Here where you're gonna design and customize and edit your home page. So the first click on the settings and go to the templates and select the templates you want to use. So for the health and the wellness, I'm going to select health. Okay, so as you see here, you can select one of these templates here. Okay, so I'm gonna select this template. So as you see here, the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the header in the menu and change or add your business name. Type your business name. After this, you can manage the navigation menu, the store and the delivery and the contact sections. And the design here, and the design of any section you want, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive to anyone can visit your homepage or your site. So make sure your site is attractive to anyone. mm, uh, like the simple details, okay, like the font, like the size. Also you can add the frame outline to make it more clear like this. Okay, just make sure your site or your homepage or your section is attractive so anyone can visit your site to attract more people and more customers to your website. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the cover and the headline. The same thing here. You can add. You have to add the tagline, your title. For example, in the title, you can introduce your business. Okay, you can type, for example, welcome to our site for health and wellness. Okay, that's it. And the description, you can write just a simple description. And don't forget to change the image if you want to keep it just like this, if the image match with your business. Okay, so if it isn't match with your business, you can just select one of from the browser and upload it and put it here. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back, or before that, go to the design and choose your favorite one. So don't forget to design this section of the design here. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back and let's move on to the next section. So here in the store, you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now click new product. So here you have to enter your product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram. You can customize the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. That's it. If you don't, go back and complete here the design of the store section. Okay, that's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, about section. So here you can use this. You can add the subtitle here, the description. You can use this space to talk about your experiences and your business, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. And don't forget to change the layout as you like. That's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next, the image section. The same thing here, add the tagline and add title and attractive description. You can also change the image, okay, just from the browser or from your library, whatever. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the customer reviews. Okay, I'm gonna use this title here, customer reviews. Okay, so if you wanna add the review, just click here. You can add the review text, the author name, and the rating. And in the design here, you can choose your favorite one. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on to the next, the delivery information. The same thing here. You have to add the title, the subtitle, and the description. So the same thing as normal, nothing special here. So do whatever here, the layout you can design and choose your favorite one. Don't forget the background, the color. That's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next, the contacts section. The same thing. So the title and the description, the image. Here you have to add your business address. You can also enter your exact postal address or the plus code. You can add the daily hours. Okay. The notes, don't forget to add the daily hours. Okay. Here you can add the contact information, the phone and the email, the social profiles, your Instagram, your Facebook, and Twitter or Pinterest, and choose your favorite layouts. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. The last section, the footer section, enter your company name for the copyright. And if you want to add something, you just click add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna add delivery and the payments. You can choose one of these sections here. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this. Okay, and now you can design it. You can edit the subtitle, customize the title and the description, and the design, choose your favorite layout. The same thing as normal, nothing special here. So that's it. So if you're done from designing your website, you can just click here, publish, and now your site will be published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and create a website on Ecwid for health and wellness business, easy and quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.